What's up, guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making some beautiful honey butter corn. So let's get into it. This is my corn right here. Use the corn that you prefer. I have my butter and my honey in the raw. Make sure you use some good honey and decent butter for this recipe. Don't use the super cheap stuff. These are my rods that I'm going to push inside of my corn to put it on the stick. Wish me luck, because I don't even know if they're going to fit because it's not that sharp on the end. So I'm going to boil my corn for about 6 or 7 minutes or so. You'll know when it's done. It's going to look nice and plump, but I boiled it for about 6 minutes. So you want to add your honey and your chili powder to this pot and heat it up. Heating the chili with the honey allows the chili powder to bloom and it'll be more flavorful, so that's why I do it that way. This is what it looks like straight off the stove, and I add the butter at the last minute. I didn't want to cook my butter down in here and it'll become like, clarified butter, and I don't want that. I just want it to gently melt down in there and it'll be more pliable and more delicious. And that's just my opinion, though. Maybe I'm just overdoing it, or maybe I'm extra, but that's just my opinion. This is what the corn looks like straight out the oven, and I'm going to allow it to cool. That's the butter back there that's still melting down in the honey. So now I'm going to put the rod down in the corn. At this point, I was like, okay, it worked. But like I said, it wasn't as pointy as I thought it would be when I opened the package. So I didn't know if it was going to work or not. But it's, it's just an extra step for it to look fun and cool, especially if you're entertaining. So now you just want to brush your beautiful honey, butter, chili powder solution mixture over the corn and just look at it. Like, y'all, when I bit into this corn, I can't. For this to be so simple and easy and only 4 ingredients, it's just like, wow. So I hope you guys give this a try. I hope someone gives this a try. And if you do, tag me, let me know what you think, and I will catch you guys on my next video. This corn was really good, and I hope one of y'all make it. One of y'all make it? One of y'all make this recipe? Comment below and let me know what you think, because I'm not gassing. I'm dead serious. It was so delicious. So anyway, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna let you guys know what I thought. You guys, look at this corn. I really had to get a cell phone clip so y'all can see it up close. It's so good. It's buttery. The chili powder adds a little something to it. It's sweet.